Life is hectic. Meetings, deadlines, barely a minute to breathe, let alone cook. You want to eat well and lose weight, but hours in the kitchen, not happening. Here are 10 Asian slimming meals, under 10 minutes, high protein, low calorie, and made for busy professionals. Speed doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Welcome to SlimSync, where Asian weight loss meals are fast, practical, and powerful. Let's dive in and prove you don't need hours to eat like a champion. First up, lean protein, minimal oil, clean flavor, and ready in under 6 minutes. Slice chicken breasts thin for faster cooking and juicier bites. Marinate with lemon, cracked black pepper, and sea salt. Heat a non-stick pan, add a light mist of oil, and lay the chicken slices flat. Sear for a minute or two per side for golden edges. The lemon and pepper keep flavors bright and zesty. Serve with a quick salad of grated daikon or cucumber. All crunch, no carbs. High in protein, low in calories, and bursting with fresh flavor. Perfect for a lunch break or post-workout refuel. Fast, healthy, and delicious. Exactly what you need to power through your day. The Korean cold protein plate, your new office lunch hero. Start with hard-boiled eggs, sliced tofu, and lean beef or shredded chicken, all prepped in advance. Arrange on a plate with blanched spinach and kimchi for a probiotic kick. Drizzle with low-sodium soy sauce and toasted sesame seeds. No cooking needed, just open, slice, assemble. You get protein, fiber, and healthy bacteria to keep you sharp. Every bite is packed with flavor. Tangy kimchi, creamy tofu, rich egg yolk. Chill overnight, toss in your bag, and it's ready when you are. It's a lunch that looks after your body, your schedule, and your sanity. No stress, just results. Next, creamy, spicy, and fat loss-friendly Thai chili yogurt shrimp cups. Toss peeled shrimp with chili flakes, lime zest, and salt, then sear for 2 minutes. Mix fat-free Greek yogurt, lime, fish sauce, and sriracha for the sauce. Toss shrimp in the yogurt sauce. Then scoop into crisp lettuce cups. Top with cilantro and chopped peanuts for crunch. Creamy, spicy, and packed with lean protein to keep you full. Light, refreshing, and a total game changer for fast, healthy eating. Bold Vietnamese flavors in record time. Slice lean flank steak thin. Marinate with fish sauce, black pepper, and garlic. Sear in a hot skillet for 90 seconds per side. Slice cucumber and carrot into ribbons. Toss with rice vinegar and sugar substitute. Plate beef over pickles. Top with mint, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Big on flavor, low on fuss, and carb light. Every bite is vibrant, fresh, and satisfying. Proof you don't need rice or noodles to get your fix. Eggs are the ultimate fast food. Try the Japanese egg white mushroom fold. Whisk 5 egg whites with salt and low-sodium soy. Sauté mushrooms with garlic in a non-stick pan, then pour in egg whites. Let set, then fold like an omelet. Mushrooms add meaty texture, egg whites deliver pure protein, finish with chives and a dab of wasabi mayo if you're adventurous. A filling lean meal in minutes, satisfaction without the guilt. For clean, oil-free protein, try the Singapore lime steamed fish parcel. Place white fish fillet on parchment, season with salt, pepper, lime zest, and ginger. Top with red chili and spring onion, fold into a parcel. Steam or microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. Unwrap for an aroma of lime, ginger, and delicate fish. Spoon over light soy or more lime. Prep in the morning, steam in minutes. Zero mess, pure protein. Light, vibrant, and oil-free flavor. Simplicity is the secret to powerful results. Poach or microwave chicken breast, slice and set aside. Toss fresh spinach with minced garlic and low-sodium soy in a hot pan. Add chicken, toss, and finish with white pepper. High in protein, loaded with iron, and full of flavor in under 10 minutes. Serve over cauliflower rice for extra volume. No complicated sauces, no hidden fats. Fast, clean, and satisfying every time. The Thai basil turkey smash plate turns lean ground turkey into a powerhouse. Brown turkey in a non-stick pan, season with garlic, fish sauce, chili flakes, and Thai basil. Stir fry until cooked and basil is wilted. Serve over shredded cabbage or spiralized zucchini. Top with a runny egg for extra protein, if you like. Spicy, fragrant, and metabolism boosting. Healthy eating that's thrilling, fast, and enjoyable. The miso sesame tofu steak is a protein-packed wonder. Slice firm tofu into steaks, pat dry, and brush with a glaze of white miso, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Sear in a hot pan for 2 minutes per side. Toss a quick salad of cucumber, radish, and sesame seeds. Serve tofu hot, drizzled with extra glaze, salad on the side. Salty miso, creamy tofu, nutty sesame. Plant-based eating, never boring. High protein, low calorie, and ready before takeout. The Japanese tuna cucumber protein bowl, the ultimate light refreshing meal. Flake canned tuna in water into a bowl. Add sliced cucumber, scallion, and rice vinegar. Season with low-sodium soy, sesame seeds, and wasabi if you like. Toss together for a quick, flavorful bowl. Eat straight from the bowl or pack for lunch. Light, energizing, and hunger-busting. Ready in 3 minutes flat. You'll crave it again tomorrow. Want to lose weight without losing time? These Asian slimming meals fit your lifestyle. Each recipe is quick, balanced, and fuels your body for the busiest days. Eating healthy shouldn't mean sacrificing flavor or time. Make these meals part of your weekly routine and see real results. No more bland diet food. Just vibrant dishes that work as hard as you do. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more fast, powerful Asian weight loss meals. Take control of your nutrition. You'll never look back.